After cure, the parts now have enough green strength such that they can be handled. This leads us into our next operation of depowder. During depowdering, it's necessary to remove all loose powder from the part such that it's not sintered into the final part. This is currently done with brushes and compressed air. As can be seen, this is a labor-intensive operation. DSB is looking to leverage its internal automation group in order to automate this process to both decrease the labor requirements as well as increase the quality of this operation. Here is an example of our internal automation group leveraging automation for part handling.